I'm back. This is Alpha Build, guys. Alpha Build from Jungle. First build is you need this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And now, this is damage of it if you want to see it. The full combo. 6k only. That's yucky. Not good. Not good, bro. Pag sa late game, you need to remove this and palitan ng brute force like that, and you need this, they remove that, palitan ng rose gold like that. Now that's my build Alpha in late game in core edition. Next, this is the damage of it. Double shield, double the better. Damn, lag ko. See guys, the damage of it, it's 9k. Ito ang healing ability niya, guys. Healing ability. Just wait there. Yo, chill. That. Bro, pag namatay ako dito, I'm going to crash out. Ito ang full damage niya. It's right there. Oh my god, tumaas ah. It's 10k. The HP I got is I don't know. And the HP I got. Ito, ulit guys, ulit. Yung makuha kong HP. Immediate some damage on turret. Yes, sir. Yo, chill. Like that. Bro, if I clutch this, I'm going to crash out. Like this. That's HP I got. Yeah, that's HP I got. See? Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video if you like it. Try this in rank. It's so good, bro. Our chat is going to crash out.